buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's people that use fiat currency.
Yes, man. What is going on? What is going on? My name is Gerald Peters. Welcome back to the channel. I believe that anybody, regardless of age, race, sex, or even your current financial situation, listen to me. You can become financially independent in the next 7 to 10 years. Man, I hope you do it in the next 5. That's what I'm here to hopefully inspire you. You got everything you need to be motivated. You got everything you need inside of you to be more, to do more, and to have more. Let's turn Michael back on for just a second. I like that groove.
We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
All right, man. All right. Hey, let's get into it, man. Today I want to talk to you a little bit. Let's do a little class here. I want to talk to you a little bit about a concept called divergence. Do you know what divergence is? Do you even care? Let's pull up a chart. This is the chart of one of the Spider Select. It's the iShares US Insurance ETF. I know you were hoping to talk about insurance today. We are not going to talk about those evil bastards, but we are going to talk about this ETF. Now, there are ways to play this leveraged. You can pick up shares in a margin account. 1,000 will buy you 3,000, or you could simply buy a 2x or 3x leveraged fund. Honestly, I can't think of the name of it offhand, but I know there is one. I got it inside of my chart pack. If you haven't already, I'm going to show you something here. If you haven't already, if you go to the petersreport.com, that is a free PDF newsletter that I have published free here on the internet for 5, 6, 7 years. The petersreport.com, and it'll forward you to my free PDF. But at the very top, man, let's take it to the next level. If you click subscribe right there, you can even get on one of my letters if you hit this QR code. If you go right here, it's the Peters Report, staying one step ahead of the market. What the email Substack does is take this newsletter and bring it to life every day. Pictures, videos, text alerts. When I get into a trade, I'm going to let you know. And if you need help with your trading, man, right there, I got a premium on it. The share this tab. When you click that subscribe, this is what comes up. The Peters Report, staying one step ahead of the market. You're going to see my lovely dome there a lot, but these are different articles. How to capitalize on Bitcoin's micro strategies, Bitcoin. 5 articles you might have missed this week. The trade of the week. This is our premium, a tiny little upgrade, and now you get to go on the inside. You get to hang out with OGP here. Look at what I'm trading this week. But let's get back into the study today for this video. This right here is the IAK, currently in a stage 2 breakout. When I say stage 2 breakout, that is from my book, The Money Flow Trading System. I'm going to bring up this diagram over here. And what we're looking at, folks, when we talk about this, what we're looking at is this right here. Let me pull it up. Share this tab instead. You'll see right here. This is what I believe. I believe price moves in 4 stages. Count it. You can count it on one hand. Stage 1 is the accumulation stage. Stage 2 is the markup, or what we call the beginning of it is where it says best time to buy. That's the old breakout, okay? We all know what that is. That is price getting above the 20-day simple moving average. So if we go back to this chart and we click right here, look, you can see, anytime you see on this chart, this green line, man, this is a simple moving average. It's always 20. So if you're on a 5-minute chart, that is measuring 25-minute bars, right? Time is fractal. Stock charts are fractal. Bitcoin is fractal. You can break these things down. And on this chart, what we're going to get into today, I don't want to get sidetracked here on moving averages. I promised I'd keep this one shorter, but I just want to get across that point. So if I take this to a 5-minute, that measures 5-minute bars. In other words, everything stays the same, okay? It'll work across all sectors. It works in Forex. It works in options. It works for stocks, anything, okay? This is just marking the movement of price. Basically, what moves price is very easy. What? Fear and greed. And this allows us to take the temperature, so to speak, or to check in on the market and stay in flow. That's the idea. So as you look at this one right here, this here, hold on just a second. Let me see. What was that? Oh, you can see, look at this, just the natural movement of price in these 4 stages. You see it right there, see it right here. Now, sometimes it moves easier. It's obvious. That's when we make our money as traders. So as a trader, if I'm watching the 1-minute and the 5-minute, meaning I'm watching the 1-minute execute my trades as a day trader, I day trade here live every Friday and every Monday. Matter of fact, that'll be tomorrow. We'll be live trading tomorrow, checking in on the market. But during that, while teaching, I'll day trade, and I'll show you these examples in real time, okay? But you can see the money flow pattern there, right? Which is this right here, right? And so the more and more you practice, repetition is the mother of skill, more and more chart time, not filters, more chart time, not go somewhere else and do something else, more chart time. Practice, looking at charts over and fucking over and fucking over. That's how you become a good trader. There is no trick, there is no tool, there is no system, and there is no indicator, okay? It's you watching price. What fucking direction do you think it's going to go? So you need to create a repeatable way to look at it, see it, and then go, boom, that's it right there. This here is what I wanted to show you. Now I'm gonna put the chart down in the body, okay? Also, you can follow it on Stock Charts and Go, and you can follow all the charts GP's looking at, or I have on my mind. If you go to Stock Charts public chart, let's see if we can't pull that up real quick. Look at Stock Charts. If you go, hold on. If you go over here to Stock Charts, this is the home page. If you're a member, if you click Dashboard, okay? Look over here to your left. See where it says Member Tools? All right. Just take it down a little bit. Right here, Public Chart List. Click it. Watch. Damn, money flow just keeps dropping down. That's sad. But if you click it, look what happens. Brings up all my charts, man. All my charts. These are the ones I'm looking at. I got them marked up, okay? Hey, do me a favor. If you do go over there, you got to vote for it. If you vote for it often, that helps me out. Looks like we're dropping down. People are slacking. Come on, man. If you can't vote for GP, stage 2 breakout underway in this sector. This is the IAK, and this is what I want to bring your attention to. We had solid support across here. Boom, 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 and then it broke. Now, we had the 200-day moving average. This always is a line in the sand. Price tends to stop there at least for a few minutes. But notice what I wrote. Notice price went lower, but the MF indicator didn't. That is divergence. Notice what price did next. What I'm saying is it went from one extreme down here. Look at this. One extreme. Above 80. This is not the RSI. It's the money flow indicator, okay? It's rare when this thing triggers. When the money flow indicator triggers, you need to pay attention. So it went from one extreme to another. That's a completed move. And yet what happened? Price dropped down. But notice what the money flow did. It did not. The money flow kept going up, but price kept going down. That's called divergence. That's what the moving average in the MACD is trying to do. Moving average convergence divergence indicator. This is divergence. Price diverged from the money flow indicator. And then what happened? We saw price get right back up into the box. That divergence was an alert. The 200-day coming together is an alert. That's usually a stopping point. The previous zone above us, or what we call getting back into the box, is obviously the trigger. But we knew that was coming. The moment it got back in that box, you hit it. That's a buy signal. That, my friends, is how you can use indicators. Divergence. Watching price. How you can begin to use these things together. So get out there this week, study. I'll make another video here soon on the concept of divergence, but you're diverging. One's going one way, one's going the other. Price tends to correct in the direction of the money flow. That's what I was trying to get point I was trying to get across. Now we have the possibility of a stage 2 breakout underway, but we need to see next. We need to see right here. Hold on, let me close this down. We need to see where it says 126.60. We have red bar, red bar, red bar, red bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to see price get above that previous red bar to be an actual go if you're buying the breakout. If you're already in here, you're good, okay? You're good. You got in. This is now the next opportunity. Whenever you get that pullback, red, 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 boom. And I'm playing off of this. We have divergence. I'm playing off the fact we're back into the box. Get what I'm saying? A lot of things are confluent. A lot of things are coming together here, man. I hope this helps you. Let me know if these videos help, man. I'm going to drop this down. This will definitely be inside of the Peters report, but if I can put it in somewhere else, I'm going to drop it here on YouTube too. You guys let me know. Come on, man. Follow me. Click like. Leave me an emoji. I don't know, man. Leave me some kind of emoji. And let's do it, man.
Want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor.